Randy here, and today I'm going to show you how to get the presents you want this holiday season. First, get yourself an Eastwood catalog. Second, circle everything you want, and I mean everything, which could take a while. Then dog-ear the best pages and make sure you leave it lay around the house. I'm sure some of you have tried hanging pages on the fridge or even putting them on milk cartons, but if you're a real Eastwood guy like me, you know that doesn't always work. So here are some tips I've used over the years that will help you win this December. Put those catalog pages everywhere she'll be during the day. Does she have coffee in the morning? Does she put sugar and cream in her coffee? Perfect. Does she like to cook? Add some Eastwood products to her favorite recipe. She may not know why she needs an Eastwood powder coating gun to make tiramisu, but she'll buy it, and soon it's yours. I even circle items I want at Eastwood.com on my computer. You may ask, what happens when she scrolls down or even clicks to another page? It doesn't matter, because if it's circling something from Eastwood, I know I want it. A water bottle is an ideal place to put an ad for your favorite tool. But a real Eastwood guy knows the best way to get her attention is to put that ad for a contour SET in the one place she can't miss it. And finally, what if she ignores all those ads? Without a doubt, the best spot I've found to put the catalog is the one place she can ignore. Smack dab in the middle of your favorite child's head. The look on her face when she sees your son helping dad get what he wants this year for Christmas is something you'll never forget. And as he stumbles around the room playing throughout the day, he'll be a constant reminder of how great this holiday season could be if people would simply buy you what you want from Eastwood. Just watching them play peekaboo is a sight you'll remember forever. There's the kid. Oh, there's that welder I want. There's the kid. Oh, there's that awesome Eastwood TIG. There's that kid. And when he's older, every time he looks in the mirror, he's going to see that scar right in the middle of his forehead, and it'll bring a smile to his face because he'll remember the time he helped his dad have the best Christmas ever.